Hey everyone, Ian here, Mannerscheid Media, and we have an update video here on the 71 Charger RT 446 pack car. Please subscribe, like, comment. Um, all your feedback definitely helps us in tailoring our videos, but as this one is here, we found a pile of rust, which wasn't really all a big surprise. You know, it sat outside for such a long time in all the elements of Mother Nature since the 80s, so it's got lots of rust. So the roof skin, quarter panels, you know what, the trunk floor actually is quite nice and the inner tubs are quite nice. The rest is kind of iffy, to be, severely honest with you. But so this video, I must have shot this probably, I'd say a month ago. So it's actually come along quite a ways. The sheet metal's all been replaced, and it's actually almost ready for primer, which is awesome. So yeah, we'll have some updated videos as this comes around. So this walk around is just showing you some of the points of the common spots where they rust under the battery tray, on the A pillars and such. Obviously quarter panels. You could see this all in that very first video when I first introduced this car. It was in some much needed TLC, but again, this car is absolutely worth it. Again, my opinion, the owner's opinion. So it's at Radical Restorations in Cadogan, Alberta, with my good friend Bob Southoff. So it's going to be, yeah, as good as new. So the engine, which will be a separate short video, it's all pretty well put back together. And that one too, the inside of the engine was just as bad as the outside of the car. It had so much moisture down the cylinders. It was horrendous. Luckily, they could save it. One sleeve and 40 over is what the bore is on the cylinders. Crankshaft needed just a slight touch up. So yeah, it's going to be a night and day difference from the first videos into these videos into the, as we're putting this car back together. It's going to be wicked. The Dana 60 is next to be done here. It's out of the car now, not in this video, but it's out now, so that'll be the next thing that I'll be doing. So I'll probably just do a quick video explaining that. So it's a Dana 60, so we'll go through that when the time comes. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we appreciate again each and every one of you subscribers or viewing. Please share, and share. Yeah, we're just trying to bring you the best content possible. So take care and bye for now.